Hand and power tool safety training. Introduction. Every worker wants to make a living for themselves and their family. Nobody goes to work with the intention of suffering a sprain, strain, or any other type of injury. And yet, in the United States alone, power tools are responsible for 400,000 emergency room visits per year. Fortunately, each one of these injuries can be prevented with the right knowledge and attitude towards safety. To stay healthy at work, you need to take safety seriously and use tools the right way. You and your employer both have a responsibility to build a safe work environment and apply hand and power tool best practices. Within this course, you'll discover best practices that you may already know and others that you may not. Even if you are an expert, you can never learn too much when it comes to safety. In the end, this course is designed to give you the knowledge needed to identify hazards, assess risks, and prevent worksite injuries associated with common hand and power tools. Therefore, by the end of this training session, you should be able to identify the various symptoms and injuries that can arise from misuse of hand and power tools. Explain the roles and responsibilities of employers and employees. Develop strategies to improve safety when handling tools of any kind. Understand safe handling techniques and methods to prevent injuries, and recognize the best practices for handling a wide array of hand and power tools. We'll cover those topics in the following 7 chapters. Chapter 1, Worksite Tool-Related Injuries and Hazardous Energy. Chapter 2, Employee and Supervisor Responsibilities. Chapter 3, Common Hand Tools. Chapter 4, Power Tool Safety Considerations and PPE. Chapter 5, Electric Power Tools. Chapter 6, Pneumatic and Hydraulic Tools. And Chapter 7, Fueled Power Tools. Let's get started.